In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Safari from opening new tabs on iPhone or iPad. If Safari keeps sending links into extra tabs and your browser starts feeling cluttered, there are a few simple settings you can check to bring things back under control. In most cases, this happens because of Safari's tab preferences or because certain websites are trying to open pop-ups and redirects in the background. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. From there, tap Apps, then choose Safari. Once you're inside the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the tab section. Here, tap Open Links. This setting controls how links behave when you interact with them. Depending on your device and software version, you may see options like opening links in the background or in a new tab. Choose the option that best matches how you want Safari to behave. If your device shows an option that keeps links in the current tab, that's usually the best choice if you want to avoid new tabs opening unnecessarily. While you're still in Safari settings, take a moment to review the other tab-related options in the same section. Look at settings such as Close Tabs and choose the behavior you prefer. This won't always stop every new tab from being created, but it does help prevent tabs from building up over time and make Safari easier to manage. Next, if unwanted tabs seem to appear mostly when visiting certain websites, there's a good chance pop-ups are involved. To reduce that, stay in Settings, go to Apps, then Safari, and turn on Block Pop-ups. This setting is especially helpful because many websites use pop-up ads or redirect scripts that try to open additional tabs or windows automatically. Enabling this option can prevent a lot of that behavior and make browsing much smoother. If Safari already has too many tabs open, you can quickly clean them up. Open Safari, then touch and hold the Tabs button, which looks like two overlapping squares. A menu will appear with the option to close all tabs or close the number of tabs currently open. Tap that option to clear everything at once. This is a fast way to reset Safari if things have gotten messy. If the issue only happens on a few specific websites, that usually points to pop-up ads or redirects rather than a problem with your device itself. In that situation, turning on block pop-ups is often the most effective fix, and that's how to stop Safari from opening new tabs on iPhone or iPad.